Hey there, and welcome to Classkick. If you want to check your students' understanding quickly, you can add different types of questions. For quick checks, you can use multiple choice questions. You can even set these to auto-grade so you get instant results. For short responses, you can use a fill in the blank. This is great for quick written thinking. For deeper thinking, you can give students space to explain their work. They can draw, make their own text box, or even record their voice. Some question types can be auto-graded. This helps you quickly see how students are doing and gives them the opportunity to fix mistakes right away. You can mix different question types in one assignment or on a slide to match what your students need. This also gives you the flexibility to decide how you want your students to show their understanding. Learn more at classkick.com.